JCID chip read and write module. Not only suitable for baseband and logic chips data reading and writing, but also available for 15 series and iPad USB-C chips reading and writing. Easily solve the problems of no touch, not able to charge nor connect to computer. Strong expansion, support SPI and IIC chips reading and writing via wire jumping without dismantling, as well as cross-industry V1S chip data reading and writing. Next, let's look at the operation of the chip read and write module. Connects the chip read and write module to V1S Pro. V1S Pro jumps to the chip interface automatically. Supports 6x logic chips and 615 baseband chips reading and writing. When placing 8 and 8P logic chip, it's needed to align with the 1 pin. For other models, just place them in the corresponding position based on the size, no need to distinguish 1 pin. The chip module can recognize in any direction. Cautions. Due to hardware encryption, the 9-angle logic chip of XR and above models needs to be transplanted with IC. There will be error 9 if just reading and writing data only. The chip RW module supports 15 series and iPad USB-C chip, also known as U2 chip, reading and writing. It needs to align with the 1 pin when placing. The locking socket here is used to place the BIOS chip. The adapter socket of the corresponding chip needs to be purchased separately. Press the lever. Align with 1 pin and place the BIOS chip. Loosen the socket. The system will recognize the BIOS chip automatically. Here is the non-removal wire jumping position of SPI chip. And this is the non-removal wire jumping position of IIC chip. Place the chip smoothly and then fasten the buckle. Click, check, the chip model is displayed on the screen. Click, read, to read the original chip data. Take out the chip and put in the one to be installed. Click, write, click, confirm, write the original chip data that we read just now. When it shows, check succeed. The chip data has been written completely. Click, read, to read the original chip data. Click, save data, click, save local, the file is named after the time it was saved by default. Users can also customize the file name. After confirming the file name, click, save, take out the chip, and put in the one to be installed. Click, open file, select file. The save time and size of the current file are displayed below the file bar. Baseband IIC chip displayed as 1K. USB-C SPI chip displayed as 1024K. Logic IIC chip displayed as 16K. BIOS SPI chip displayed as 16384K. The capacity does not refer to the data of mobile phone accessories, it is the data read by the expansion interface. After confirming the selected file, click, open, click, write, click, confirm, and the system will start writing. When it shows, check succeed. The chip data has been written completely.